Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with a close look at the Blue Wave Bronze 8-year 24-foot round above-ground pool winter cover. If you're on the hunt for the best winter cover for your above-ground pool, you've come to the right place. This winter cover from Blue Wave stands out for several reasons, making it a top choice among pool owners. Let's break down what makes it special. First up, durability. The Blue Wave Bronze cover is crafted from high-quality polyethylene with a 7x7 scrim count, ensuring it can withstand even the harshest winter conditions. It's designed to be a robust barrier against leaves, debris, and sunlight, which helps prevent algae growth and keeps your pool cleaner for longer. The material is not only strong but also features heat-sealed seams and a black underside to enhance its protective capabilities. This combination effectively blocks out sunlight and prevents debris from decaying in your pool over the winter months. One of the standout features of this cover is its generous overlap. With a 4-foot overlap, it provides a secure and snug fit over your 24-foot round pool. This extra material helps prevent wind from getting under the cover, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring your pool stays protected throughout the season. Installing the cover is made easier with the included metal winch and heavy-duty, vinyl-coated cable. These secure the cover in place with metal grommets spaced every 2 feet, providing a comprehensive securing system that's crucial during severe weather. It's clear that Blue Wave has designed this cover with both durability and ease of use in mind, making it a top contender in the market. So there you have it, the Blue Wave Bronze 8-year 24-foot round above-ground pool winter cover. Your best bet for keeping your pool clean and protected during the colder months. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews on products like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.